All right, so the foot-pounds of this one was, what was it for the wheel bearings?
41.
41 foot-pounds.
Yeah.
And for this thing was 65.
65.
And the lug nuts were 77.
77. Yeah.
All right, and so to take out that ABS connector, I used this one here. And I pretty much went into here, and I put in here, and I lift it up, which means I have to push this screwdriver down. And before that, I pushed the whole connector in, and then it comes out. But it wasn't that easy, because then when I lift it up, I use this other screwdriver over here to pry it out. So now my ABS connector is protected, and hopefully when I took the wheel bearing out, it's just not gonna break this connector. So this thing looks pretty good. And again, what was the light in there? SC something?
SVC.
Oh, SVC, Stability Vehicle Control. So that's probably why the light's on. So here we go. Now we're gonna pound this. And hopefully it comes out. If not, we're gonna have to get a sliding hammer with a puller set with a sliding hammer. And then to adjust the brake pads is from the rear, the brake shoe.
From the one on the holder.
That hole there.
Yeah, probably the rubber dust.
From the front.
Yeah. From the bottom, I made it out.
Oh yeah, it is. All right. So there it is. There's the star. So you see this guy here? We just have to put a tool in here. Now we have to figure out which ways to make it bigger though. Do we pry up or do we bring it down? I have a feeling we're going in and bring it up. That's what I'm thinking.
You go like this down, that means this thing gonna go that way. So which way you really wanna go?
So if I go here
Go in.
and I lift it up like this,
So that means you're going so
like that.
Yeah, so like this, that means you push it out.
That's going counterclockwise, making it bigger.
Yeah, I don't know.
Does the video say which direction
No,
to adjust?
they said just adjust it.
All right. I think there might be only one way I can adjust it too.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so now we know. Coming from the front, there's that rubber piece here. Take out that rubber piece. Not from the back.